Hello, friends, and welcome to lesson 32. I hope you have lots of energy. I'm gonna ask to pause the video. If you have been with me since lesson number 1, you will be able to read the words that I will give you in this lesson. Okay, so we are going to learn about letter Tzade. Tzade. Pizza is going to help us today. So this is to your right. This is the way we write letter Tzade at the beginning or in the middle of the word. And this is the final Tzade. And we only write it this way at the end of the word. Okay. So up to this lesson, we can know that there are only 5 consonants whose final writing is different, okay? So today is the opportunity for Tzade. Tzade, Sofit, and initial or middle Tzade, the one that I am just showing right now. The numerical value is very important, and it's different to the final consonant. Okay, so this is the way we pronounce. Let's start from this line, and it reads ta, ta, te, te, ti, ti, to, to, zu, zu. And that's why pizza helps. As you remember, the consonant number 5, it doesn't have any sound. So that's why it reads pizza, pizza, pizza. So that's the sound we need. Then we're going to learn how to say juice. Can you please try? Just keep in mind this sound. It doesn't have any vowel, so you just need to add a TS sound, okay? Pause. Excellent, and it reads meats, meats. We're going to learn how to say tree in singular and in plural. But before, I really want to say thank you to Gerardo Varias because he has given me so many pictures, not only for this class, but when I wrote the manual, Hebrew in color, he just gave me so many pictures. So I am really grateful. Thank you, Gerardo. He has beautiful pictures in Instagram, and this is how we can find him. Okay, thanks. And then we're going to read tree, and it reads ets, ets, ets. And if we want to say trees in plural, we need to add yod, mem. Okay, that's a rule. And we see the same 2 consonants. They are the same. This is the initial or middle, tzade. So we're talking about the same consonant. And it reads etzim, etzim, etzim. Okay, let's learn how to say color. Color in Hebrew reads tzeva. Tzeva, tzeva, color. And what about this color? It reads tzahov, tzahov, tzahov. Excellent. Okay, we are going to conjugate the verb run. Run. and it reads la roots, la roots, la roots. This is also pa'al verb. It's also pa'al, but it's irregular, okay? So we are going to see some difference, okay? But in plural, we always add yod mem to masculine plural, and we always add holam vav tav to feminine plural. So we have something in common with a regular pa'al. Okay, so let's see the difference. Why this pa'al it's irregular. We can count the consonants, and it only has 4 consonants. If you remember the main regular pa'al, which is lilmod, it has 5. But in this one, it will only have 4. So that's number 1. And the second one, even though we still have vav in this position, so we know it's a pa'al, right? We know it's pa'al because we can see vav, but it's not o. Instead, it's u, la roots, okay? It ends with u. So those are 2 big differences. So even though it's still a pa'al, because we see the vav in the same position as lilmod, it changed the vowel. Okay, so let's read. Ani, ata, u, rats. Ani, at, I, ratsa. Anachnu, this is plural. Anachnu, atem, you, plural. Hem, ratzim. Anachnu, aten, hen, ratzot. So you can rock and roll, or you can country, or you pop. So the rhythm, it's more catchy, okay? Rats, ratza, ratzin, ratzot. Rats, ratza, ratzin, ratzot. Perfect. So homework is very important. So I'm going to ask you to please conjugate this irregular pa'al, lטוס. Lטוס, which is to fly by airplane, okay? So this is lטוס. It will be exactly like this, of course, not the consonant, but the pattern, okay? So take your time and do this conjugation, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so now we write the beautiful Tzade. Tzade, print letter. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Then the final. This is very important. The final Tzade goes down the line. It's very important. And then we have cursive. Okay. So just pay attention that this one will be bigger than the rest when we write this type of letter. And then the Tzade Sofit. One more time. One more time. So this is Tzade, and it's different than Fei Sofit. Okay? So thank you, friends. I will wait for your homework, even in 2050. Okay? 2050. Wow. Okay, I'll wait for you. Shalom.